It has been a while since I made a video like this on how to troubleshoot this issue of WhatsApp, which says that you need official WhatsApp to log in. So this is the ultimate guide. Follow it precisely and you will be able to solve your problem. So let me try by signing in my WhatsApp account. Then we see what will happen. Then we also see what to follow. So let me agree and continue. So I'm going to enter my phone number, and this is my phone number. So clicking next. So let us wait for the next prompt. So this is the number, yes. So I'm going to verify using SMS. So let's just wait a little bit, and you can see already before even receiving the SMS, this is the error message which says that you need official WhatsApp to log in. So what you should do here is to click on more, learn more, then you search for contact us. So you search for contact, then you enter. So you can see these are the results for contacts. You scroll down. So at the bottom down, you will see where it has been written contact us. You click on that. Then WhatsApp support for all questions related to WhatsApp. Click contact us, and you will find a page where you will insert your phone number, your email number. Then you will need to confirm your email. Then you send your message, and it will directly go to the WhatsApp support team, and this team will be able to review the problem and help where possible as soon as possible. So I'm going to enter my Gmail, then I'm going to confirm that same email. So thereafter, you will have to choose the device you are using. For example, if you are using Android, web or desktop, iOS, etc. So this is the error message. You just write this message: hello, what's up? I tried to sign in my WhatsApp using official WhatsApp from the Play Store. And I encountered an error which says you need official WhatsApp. Again, I couldn't log in successfully. Thank you. So before thank you, let me add this. I need your assistance. Then let me go and add my phone number. So I'm going to add the phone number before thank you. So for number, please insert the country code. Start by writing the country code. Then click on next. So you will be redirected to this page. This is where you will have to click send question. Click on the bottom button, send question, and you can see your question has been sent. Thank you for conducting WhatsApp support. So immediately WhatsApp will review and send feedback via WhatsApp, and you will find that your problem has been solved. So if you encounter this problem again after watching this video, let me know in the comments section below.